We're back with another video. We got a mid fade coming. We're coming through the hair, checking for cowlicks and abrasions. We're gonna do a mid fade with a 2 against the grain. Instead of starting with the initial guideline by pressing it in with the Gold FX trimmers, we're gonna go ahead and clear the bolt so we don't make a harsh guideline. We don't want to make harsh guidelines sometimes because sometimes they're hard to take out. And for a beginner, I would say to do this method until you learn to get the guidelines out. So we're going to start by going at the top of the eyebrows. You know, I like to use facial features. We're going to go all the way around to make sure we clear out everything and get it symmetrical. You want to make sure you set your first initial guideline in where it's even and symmetrical all over. Now with the Babyliss shavers, we're going to go ahead and ball them out, but we're not going to go all the way to the top. Go ahead and start our second initial guideline. We're going to go up about an inch. We're going to go up. We're going to make sure we get it real clean and real nice so we can go ahead and knock this line out. It should be a lot easier, but we're going to still do all the same methods. Now we got it closed. Close it, and we're going to just nudge at this bottom line. Nudge at it and not really go too high. We're just going to keep it real low and just knock the bottom line out. Now, in this video, I wanted to show more of the lever play because I go from closed to halfway to open, but I want you to pay attention to the areas where I go closed to open and just keep flicking at the lever to get the desired look. Video, we are going to have a giveaway. Now, to enter in this giveaway, I need you to share this video, follow me on Instagram, and let me know where you shared it, and we will be picking a winner out of the people that follow the direction. It's a $100 gift card going to whomever follows the directions. So just make sure you have to share this video, follow me on Instagram, and DM me to let me know that you've done it, and I'll be picking one out of there randomly. Back to the haircut. We got the line pretty much taken out. Couple areas I see that need to be worked on, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now with the one guard open, we're going to start our third initial guideline. We're going to go up again about another inch. Close, we're going to nudge at this bottom line. We're going to keep flicking at this bottom line to knock this bottom line out. now it looks like we're about halfway. Now we got the 1.5 guard, and we're just doing that feather motion. We're not really setting the guideline, we're just lightening it up so it can blend into the top. Now we're doing it 2 against the grain, so it might look a little darker on top, but when I hit the 2 against the grain, it's gonna all blend in and come right together. So I got the 1.5 guard closed and knock some of that out. So now we got the 1 guard open, and we're just gonna feather. You're gonna see that I slow it down and just feather. I'm not really digging in and trying to make a guideline. I am really just knocking out that last line. Now with the Gold FX, we're gonna come back and just hit at that first initial guideline to make sure we get it as clean as possible. Detail work, just making sure I get everything is clean and symmetrical. I'm only doing one side, so I didn't speed up a lot of things. I just want to make sure that you see what I see. There's certain areas, like where I'm working at in this area right here, there's an indent in the back of his head, which makes that area dark. So we're gonna keep working until we lighten that up and the fade looks super clean. Now I got the 2 open, trying to transition the sides into the top before I go ahead and knock off the top with the 2 against the grain. So I had to go against the grain, and you'll see in the lineup where his lineup is kind of awkward, but as barbers, we're supposed to get this lineup correct and clean as possible. Assisting with the comb to lay the hair where I want it to be so I can get this lineup as clean as I can. I want to keep combing it. Now you see how I comb in the direction it grows? I just make sure I lay it where I can get it clean. Combing it down so I can get it laid where I can get all the overhangs, so nothing overhangs from the lineup. He doesn't have a perfect lineup, and he didn't want any enhancements, so I gotta do what I can do with what I got. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it just sounded cool saying that. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment and let me know what you want to see next. Drop a comment and let me know if you like the haircut. Now I got the razor going at a 45-degree angle, getting everything, cleaning it up, bring everything back to the line. Look at that finished product, super clean. I will leave the instructions in the description, so go ahead and check it out. And this is your boy Blade, and I'm out.